rapid I am. Come as a lamb, don't be damn timid. If a DJ tell me this to get executed. Just that I am lyrically ill.
Kai.
I am programmed to kill. Tell the whole of them in the man in really come back here. Where them a go do the whole day. What do you mean? They make me wicked this year. That's evil water can cool me.
Yeah,
come on, DJ be on to the silvery arena. What do you mean?
Kai malam baka ji ne abin da nake gaya maka.
Come in know so you're lyrically brave. Hold the face right up to what the kid.
Kai, baka ji ne? Baka ji ne?
Hey you man,
Baka ji ne?
just what to say.
Kar wannan abu, excuse me. Kar wannan abu.
Pirate them not stopping.
Hello, my name is Mr. Ho. What is wrong with you? Are you mad?
Ni ne mat.
I say, what is wrong with you? Are you mad?
Me kake a nan gurin? Menene ya kawo ka nan kofar gidana?
Hello, man. I come to retouch my head because I need this woman to retouch for me.
Ni ba na jin ka ban ji abin da kake faɗa ba.
Abin da na zo yi nan gurin, ka gane? Ainihin matar nan gidan na zo za ta yi ɗan retouching ɗin kaina ne. Ka gane ai?
Kai ɗin. Ko wurin matata tana nufin ke menene?
Good, really quite sure. I can't
ce maka matata gyaran rufe take yi? Na ce matata tana gyaran rufe ne?
Excuse me, man. Just because man, I come to retouch my head.
Kaka zagan.
Just I need it.
Kaka zagan.
Oh, good.
Me ka zo yi kofar gidana?
Na zo matar nan gizon za ta yi min retouching din kaina ne kitso.
Mata ta ce ta maka kitso? Waye maka wannan na kan naka?
Really, of course. Ita ce ta mishi.
Wannan nan?
Really?
Amma wallahi Hajara ta cuce ni. Ta cuce ni Hajara. Yanzu Hajara ce zama wannan kitson.
Abin da nake so da kai, ai sun matan nan gidan za ta yi min retouching din kaina ne.
Kaba gurin nan tun muna ni da kai.
I cannot go anywhere. I am still around.
Wallahi sai ka tafi da kaba gurin. Kai malam.
Who are you, by the way?
Kaba gurin nan.
I said, who are you, by the way? I'm still around.
Kaka zage ni. Kaba gurin nan yanzu ma ta tashi ta ma wannan kitson da ba.
Look, make shake body. Just made and shake body.
Wallahi zan ga.
Don't push me again. I said, don't push me again.
Zan kira ma
Saki ture ni ko?
Zan kira ma hukuma.
Kada ka saki ture ni. Don't push me again.
Kaba gurin nan.
I'm still around. Ina nan har yanzu. Saboda ainihin matan nan gidan za ta yi min retouching din kaina ne. Kaga
Ba za ta maka ba. Ba za ta maka da shan.
Shikenan.
Ba za ta maka da shan. Kaba gurin nan. Malam kaba gurin nan.
Wadda me kake nufi?
Abin da yake where them a go do the whole day.
Allah ya kare ni.
Or get me wicked this year, that evil water can cool me. And the mercy, or get me, 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 or get me wicked, and never did you check it, so get damage, don't trespass. A boy must is stupid, to get them lyrics on me, more to get them slow and rapid I am. Come as a lamb, don't feel I'm timid. If a DJ check it, so get executed. Just back, I am lyrically ill. 90s I am programmed to kill. Tell the whole of them me that the man him really come hot this year. Where them a go do they hold me? Or do you mean? Or give me wicked this year? Not evil water can cool me. Not a mercy. Come now, DJ Vista, get to the silvery arrange. Sing positive and come on the front page. Come in them know, say you're lyrically brave. Hold the face right back to what the kid. No matter with after 2 years you start fade. Right now this one lyrics parade. Me have lyrics in the clocks and lyrics in the spade. Fire, or the better send for the brigade. Deep, pirate them no stop indeed. Or to get me hot this year. Where them a go do they hold me? Or do you mean? Or to get me wicked this year, not evil water can cool me. That's a mercy. Me come fi piece of the cake with a glass of lemonade. With the lips in my mouth and me come well prepared. If a pirate guy feel like